What's your scent of the day? This is Brandon with Therapeutic Fragrance. I am sporting Oud Satin Mood by MAISON Francis KURKDJIAN. Channel for everybody. Please join the channel. Join me on this fragrance journey. I'm glad you found me. Stay tuned for the review. Thanks everyone for whoever stuck it out after that rough opening. We're gonna do Oud Satin Mood, MAISON Francis KURKDJIAN. I'm sure you guys know what it is. Very popular fragrance, very reviewed many times. I wore it so much, wanted to put my take on it, put it on the channel. Anyways, we'll get to the presentation. This is $375 for 70 ml. That's well over 5 ml per $5 an ml. Ouch. It's an oriental woody unisex, and I'd split this at 50-50. Definitely unisex, definitely 50-50. I can't go either way on that one, on this one at all. Perfumers, Francis KURKDJIAN, and his name, Fragrantica, loves the scent. It's at a 4.3 out of 5. Notes on this one are a violet accord, rose essence from Bulgaria, rose absolute from Turkey, natural oud from Laos. I'm not picking that up. I drop it. I'll pick that up. I'm not picking up the real oud. So whatever's used in it, very limited. Have to put that out there. Benzoin from Sion, amber and vanilla accord. Okay, those are the notes. I want to see Francis KURKDJIAN and Master Perfumers. I don't know how this can happen or anything. How do we give them the ingredients of an Rouge d'Or? And how do we get these like master ingredients in their hands and get their synthetics out of them and just have them sit forever and create a composition? I'm not taking away from them. That's not what I'm doing. I just want to see what it would be like. I wish they could release something in the line. I get that price per synthetic to natural ingredient. We're talking sometimes it's times 100 or times 1,000. You're talking levels of oud that they'd have to use to project and make this thing last a long time compared to their synthetics. I mean, that's what's in this juice at that price. It's just ouch. But that being said, let's talk about composition. This is made by a master perfumer. Composition. This is composed like a symphony, beautifully. This is why we buy it. This is why there's only so few master perfumers. Once you put your noses on this level kind of stuff, this accord, that's where we're at. So the accord on this thing is just phenomenal. Another level, blended to perfection kind of thing. This he has a house DNA. I always talk about this with houses. The MFK has a DNA. The Bacarat Rouge 540, I can to a T smell both of those on there. If you follow my channel, I've talked about this before. If you go to a house in a mall, go through and spray a few tester strips, take them home, smell them the next day, even smell them a week later, they all smell similar. You can't really pick them apart. Maybe little bits here, off and there, but there's this accord, the longevity accord, the house accord that they all use to build all their fragrances upon. So he's got this accord down to a T that he's being able to build a house off of. The accord's beautiful. I love this accord. I love the MFK accord. That being said, I have smelt this accord before. It was either it was in Maui. It was either at the Ritz or the Waimea Grand Resort. One of those two. I don't know which one, but I mean, I smelled this stuff on my skin, and I'm like, this is Maui. And it was the hotel lobby. Somewhere they were using a fragrance that had this kind of synthetic accord in it. Maybe not exactly, but some similar ingredients. I mean, the scent unmistakably brought me back there. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, $400. And there's no way that hotels paying that money to spray their hotel 24/7 to smell like that. And then it just kind of ruins this stuff for you. You know what I mean? That the value. And then you once things aren't popular, they go on to the discount websites at 50 to 70% off. They wouldn't do that if there's real value in the bottle. Anyway, that's my rant on it. It smells awesome. I love the accord. I loved it in Maui. Wearing a hotel fragrance around it. Buying a bottle now and wearing a hotel fragrance, I'll have to get over that in my mind. I definitely will own an MFK bottle. Could be this one. I'm playing with the Bacarat Rouge, hint, 540 also, very heavily. I like the top on this one so far better, way better. I think they need to rename this. I shouldn't be called Oud Satin Mood. I'm not pulling out that Laos. I mean, Laos Oud is distinctive and loud. And I mean, you see my channel, I can pick up Ouds almost on anything. And I'm not picking up that Oud heavy at all. So it's whatever amount he's using is very, very light. Very addictive. I mean, I couldn't stop smelling it. Nice fragrance that nobody will be offended to have on you as a scent. Sure, the florals are there, not real rosy, not red rosy. I've been wearing lots and lots of roses, but I'm not getting that deep rose out of this one at all. But the sweet floral kind of thing, not like a sweet ambery to me kind of thing. It does say that vanilla. I'm not picking up a heavy vanilla on it, but a nice sweetness I am. I almost, people say the Bacarat smells like a cotton candy kind of thing. I think they both do. This one smells a little bit heavier towards that kind of sweetness for me. What this developed into on the dry down is it went metallic with that sweet accord. So sweet metal kind of developed into a little bit. Again, the notes, I couldn't pull them out individually. It's a master composition, blended together nicely. I couldn't really pull one here or there in any sniff. Just masterfully blended throughout the wearing of it. Great longevity on it. Scoring Oud Satin Mood. Addictiveness, 4 out of 5. And that includes originality on that score. Projection and sillage, 4 out of 5. Longevity, 4 out of 5. Composition, 15 out of 15. And ingredients, which includes price to ml factor, 5 out of 10. And then the fragrances, top, heart, and base. The top is a 20 out of 20 all day long. Heart, 15 out of 20. And then the base, I'll have 15 out of 20. So there it is. That's an 82 score. So, grab a bottle and decant with a friend, share with a friend kind of thing. The celebrity I have wearing this is George Clooney. I think it fits him perfectly. And then when to wear, I'd have this as an office professional setting kind of fragrance. That's what I have for Oud Satin Mood, guys. Thanks for watching this. Thanks for being part of my fragrance journey. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below. Talk to me offline. I enjoy it. I'm really glad to know you guys. Peace out and be blessed.